Hi everyone. In the second tutorial of Sidhivinayakam, I am planning to teach you all the Anupallavi part. Sidhivinayakam is a composition composed by Muthuswami Dikshidhar. In the previous tutorial I have explained about that. And it's been set in Shanmukhapriya Ragam, the 56th Melartha Ragam. So first, let's sing the Arohana and Avrohana of Shanmukhapriya. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Anupallavi. There are not much sung of these, but the way to sing that is really challenging. Siddhayaksha kinnaradi sevitam. This is a sangati. Siddha yaksha kinnaradi sevitam. Siddha Riga si riga si si riga ri riga riga sa siddha middle shadja higher shadja siddha yaksha, a straight slide starting from the middle shadja to the higher one. Siddha riga 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 sa siddha yaksha kin sari, a slide, small slide for Rishabha. Kinna ririgari kinna kinna radi radi garisa ra garisari radi kinna radi. Oh, garisa risa radi se. There. I think I didn't explain about this usage in. It's a double slide for Daiva. Nida nida se vitam nisa. There nishada is straight. So double slide for Daiva. Nida nida Arjana Sudas. Ni sa nishada plain shadja straight. Siddha yaksha kinnaradi sevitam. A nice sustain there. Then repeat. Siddha from sa sa shadja to shadja, or siddha riga, like in the starting. Riga si si da riga 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 sa si da yaksha kinnaradi sevi sevitam. There. After repeating that for 2 times, you should add prasi pra. It's actually prasiddha. It goes like this. Pra is shadja, higher shadja. Prasiddha. Straight slide starting from the higher shadja to the middle one. Prasiddha yaksha. Again, straight slide starting from the middle shadja to higher shadja. Yaksha kinnaradi. Same thing. Riga kinna riga ri radi radi garisa risa radi sevita da nida nida nisa sevita. 2 times. Let me sing that. The first thing will be Siddha yaksha kinnaradi sevitam. Repeat. Siddha yaksha kinnaradi sevitam. Then with pra. Siddha yaksha kinnaradi sevitam. Prasiddhayaksha Kinnaradi Sevidam. Then Prasiddhayaksha Kinsha. There, if possible, you can give a throw, which means the straight slide starting from middle shadja to higher shadja plus throat to Rishabha. Prasiddhayaksha Kinnaradi Sevitam. There. Akhila Jagat. Here. Akhila Nisani Akhila Jagat Nisani Risa. There, double slide for Rishabha. Sari Sari Sa Risa. So, like I have explained the R1 in the first tutorial, there we can give lot many uses in this raga within the rules itself, but we should think. If you think like Rishabha is a constant note, it is not having any usage, then you will not be singing with this embellishment. So here I am giving double slide for Rishabha. Siddhayaksha Kinnaradi Sevitam. Then my name. Akhil. Here. Akhila Jagat. Then repeat it again. Prasiddhayaksha Kinnaradi. Then another embellishment. Say, sa, la, 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 la. Say, niga, 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 say, niga, niga, say. Ni, Nishadam, starting from Nishadam, that's a quick step down. Ni, ga, ni, da, ni, ga, ni, da, mama. Say, ending on Daivatama's position. Ni, ga, ni, da, ni, ga, ni, ga, ni, da, ni, da, ni, ga, ni, da, ni, da, ni, ga, ni, sa, ni, da, ni, ga, ni, sa, ni, da, say. The rest is a repetition. Akhila Jagat. Then, there. Pra was pra earlier. Here it is going to change. So let me sing that again. Prasiddhayaksha Kinnaradi Sevitam Vidam Vi Nisa Vi throw Nisa Vitam Nisa 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 are the answers. Vitam Vitam. Then Akhila Jagat Prasiddha Pra Rigari Rigari Prasiddha Rigari Rigari Rigari. Double slide, no, triple slide for another. Rigari 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 Prasiddha Mola Mo Gari Gari Mo Gari Gari Pama Mo La Gari Gari Pa Mo La Pama Pangaja. There, if you raise your volume, Pangaja, you will sing like that. That will be Shuddha Madhyama. Re Ma Gari Sa Re Ma Shuddha Madhyama. Yamola Panga 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 Re Re Gari Panga Jarisa Panga Ririga Ri Panga Ja Panga Ja Panga Jarisa Prasidha Mula Panga Madhyastha Ma Sari Gari Gari Sari Gari Ga Madhyastha Nisa Ni Niriga Nadya Nisa Niririga Riza Na Niri Niririga Riza Madhyastha Prasidha Mula Pankaja Madhyastha Dhyastha Niririgarisa Nasta Modana Mo Ga Mo. That's Mo Sarigariga Mo Da Ga Ka Mo Da Ga Mo Da Ga Ta Sari Sari Mo Da Ga Ka Sani Mo Da Ga Hastam Sari Da Ba Ga Sari Da Ba Sa Re Sari Da Ba Ba. Starting from Rishabh, not Shorja. That's a throw. Re Sari Da Ba Ba Re Sari Da Ba Ba Re Na Na. Just touch Rishabh. Na Hastam Ha Re Sari Hastam Re Sari Da Ba Ba Hastam. From Prasiddha Mula Pankaja Madhyastha Modaga Hasam. That's the Anupali. Let me sing that in one stretch. As from the beginning of the Anupali. Sidhiyaksha Kinnaradi Sevitam. Repeat it twice. Sidhiyaksha Kinnaradi Sevitam. Prasidhiyaksha. Like that twice. Then Sidhiyaksha Kinnaradi Sevitam. Here Akhil Jagat. Again. Prasidhiyaksha Kinnaradi. Remember that quick step down. Sevitam. Akhila Jagat. Then the extension. Prasidha Mula Pankaja Madhyastha Modaga Hasam. Then you should connect that with the fourth Sangati of Pallavi. Sidhivinayakam Anisham Chintayamyam. Extension. Prasiddha Gananayakam Vishishdhartadayagara. Like that. Then you should sing the concluding phrase and you can conclude the Anupallavi there. So that's the end of this tutorial. I have completed the Anupallavi here. And then in the next tutorial, the third part of this tutorial, I'll be teaching you the Charanam of this Krithi. Till then, you should keep on practicing and get thorough with the lesson. We'll meet in the next tutorial. Bye.